the count of three, you're going to give me your best yeehaw. 1, 2, 3. Yeehaw! That's how you start a food festival.
Hi everybody, we're back at Abergavenny Food Festival. Isn't it amazing? Maple from Canada, back where it should be with all those artisan suppliers, the great enthusiasm of food and knowledge, and the great Sam and Shauna we've just watched in a demonstration that is showing off the beautiful flavours of maple, but also the great knowledge of food, the why we come to these again. So isn't it just fantastic to be back?
So delighted that you're here. Every year we're here. The sun is always shining and there's always so many lovely smiley faces. Abergavenny is one of our all-time favourite festivals. The Maple Ambassadors, they've got a stall as well. Go and get some. Go and get some free samples of maple. We absolutely love maple syrup. You know, it's the most naturally occurring vegan sweetness that you can possibly buy.
So now this is kind of what I call, as the kids say, an Instagram moment.
So it's not slim and world friendly, but it's going to make you happy.
All right.
And isn't that what food's all about?
Yeah.